Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Jai Jagannath. So myself Amresh. As I said earlier, many in my last video, that how to take vaccination. Yes, today we'll discuss about that. How to book slots. Taking vaccine is not a issue. Booking slot is the issue. So don't worry. Follow this video till end and like, share, subscribe. So we'll discuss about this. So today we'll discuss how to book slots. Yes, we can individual can help the peoples, but how? My helping hand is limited because mostly maximum one or two SIM I will have. One SIM in one number you can book maximum four number. So into 8 number. So my helping hand is limited. So to make in the generic, I am going to make this video for you all in a generic. So I make it in English. So it will be global. Let's discuss about this, how to make it in a proper way. And mainly this video, as I belongs to Odisha, this video may be explains about my Odisha. Yes, I can say thanks to my CM Naveen Patnaik ji for making it possible. And Odisha is the first state who has started vaccination for 18 plus. 60 plus, every state made the same, but for 18 plus, Odisha is the first state. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the topic, why you are getting the negative news. Many people are saying that, complaining that before opening the that link, slots are getting booked. It's showing booked for us. No, even I was facing the same thing, and because I was not aware to these tricky things which I am going to cover in this video. So please follow forward, so that we will be doing this. So this no need to doing the negative news. This is the very positive. I am the positive person. So I saw so many newses. They complain like it's black marketing. It's totally wrong. Yes, maybe they are in my place earlier. So they are thinking that it's a black marketing, but it's totally wrong. I'll tell you the procedure. It's easy way, because in the last 2 days back I booked for my wife, my home people, 4 members. In a single day I booked 6 people, so I got confident to book the others. So similarly I booked 2 to 3 of my friend, one from Cuttack, one from my neighbor. So why? Because it's me. It's my Odisha, it's my India. That if they will get vaccinated, then I will get India will cure very soon, and will take care of the corona fast. So coming to the issue, so this there is nothing to do in a negative way. It's a positive. Government is doing very good job. So thumbs up to the Odisha government and India government. Yes. Now we'll discuss about how to book. Okay. In which area you are staying? Hope you will be staying in NAC or municipality, any area. Nowadays the government is making socially. So hope you will have the Twitter account, and every NAC municipality they are having Twitter. They are publishing in the slot booking all the things in the Twitter. Follow the respecting area NAC or municipality. Yes, I can give you the link for the Bhubaneswar or Cuttack respective, but you can search and follow. This is the case for the people who is having smart mobile. I'll tell you detail in the who's not having smartphone in hand. Many poor people not having smartphone. So I'll tell for them how to do. So if you are having smartphone, you will follow the Twitter account, get the alert. They are giving the slot in advance time. So follow the how to register. Make sure you have registered the that Arogya Seti in earlier hand. If not, do it now. Correctly now only. Register. I'll give a link. Hope you will search from the app. You will get the Arogya Setu. Do that. And second thing, follow the respective area Twitter handler, follow that, and do as soon as possible after getting the alert. And this link and these things about my perspective and my area, because I belongs to Odisha. And if you are looking for link for your area, you please search in Google or Telegram. I'm pretty sure you will get, because many helping hand peoples are there in all over the India. Third, I have many helping hand friends. Those are making social media groups like in WhatsApp, in Telegram, many. So I'll share some link. So I'll show you one link. See, for I'm talking about my Odisha. There is one group U5. Hope you are able to see U5 vaccine Odisha. Are you able to see? I'll give this link in the description. You'll search, so you'll join. Here you will get many alerts. Once you will get the alerts, you need to join. You need to go to the respective area and book the slot. It's very pretty area, easy way. So no need to panic. So be happy, be strong, and you will do. I know. This is the case for the people who is having smartphone. Now I'll tell you the people who is not having smartphone, who is not having smartphone, the poor people, the people who is not having more money. So this for this case, your helping hand will be helpful for them. Be the helping hand. We are not going to do anything for them, but we are doing just sake for them, so that they will get vaccinated. You have number, more than one or two number. The way I told, one number can add 4 beneficiary, like way 8 and 8. If you are not having number, you can take their number. They will get that pin, so OTP. Though you will register from that, so that you can do for them also. Do for them. It's very needy for them, because they don't know. Some people don't know how to open mobile. So in this case, if you people are not doing this for them during this time, then we are not the people who should do that. It's you can do this. If I can do this, you can do this. Do for them, and God is Almighty is there, who is looking at you. Okay, this is my small advice. So maybe if I am telling this, I am getting emotional, because I am into that. So be safe, be happy, be strong. आपण ओडिया रे ठीक कहि दोजी, आपण खुशी रहिले दुनिया ही खुशी रहइबो. भगवान आपण मोर मंगल करंती. जय जगन्नाथ. आपण लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करिवे, आ जत्ते पारिबे शेयर करिवे. Let other know what is this, and with respect to the Odia language, I'll describe in my daily vlog. Okay, thank you so much. Jai Jagannath. God bless you.